Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the one-side classes. I would like to share my knowledge about trigonometry. So, I bring today another chapter of class 10 mathematics, that is trigonometry. Exercise 8.4. To solve a trigonometric problem, first you have to understand what is trigonometry. What is sin theta? What is cos theta? What is sec theta? What is cosec theta? What is cot theta? It means what it does, all trigonometric ratios mean. First, try to understand that. And then, after that, after discussing that problem, after discussing the trigonometry, in brief, I will discuss these three trigonometric problems. First trigonometric problem is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is from trigonometric identities. The exercise is 8.4. Question number 5. 1, 2, 3. Today I will going to discuss all these three trigonometric identities and I will prove for you. Students, I would like to give you a brief summary of sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta, tan theta, cot theta, and the relation between it. Okay. Suppose you have a right angle triangle. You have a right angle triangle PQR. Right angle triangle PQR, where angle Q is 90 degree. Suppose you are to find out sin theta with respect to angle P, right? Sin theta with respect to angle P. What will be the sin theta? Sin theta means what? Sin theta is the ratio. Sin theta is the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Fit in your mind, and observe the relation between the perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is sin theta. It means sin theta is equal to QR by PR. Suppose PR is H, QR is P, and PQ is B. Then I can write sin theta is equal to P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Suppose you are to find out the value of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, you just find the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Then that will be the sin theta. That will be the ratio, that is sin theta, right? And another ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to the ratio between base and hypotenuse. Ratio between base and hypotenuse, that is base by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is equal to, I can write B by H. Okay. Already sin theta, cos theta, and cos theta are obtained. And then I will going to tan theta. Now, what is tan theta? Students, tan theta is the ratio between perpendicular and base. This is the third ratio, perpendicular and base. It means perpendicular divided by base will obtain tan theta. Perpendicular by base, E by B. This is tan theta. Okay, students, from here you can obtain other three trigonometric ratio. That is cosec theta, sec theta, and third one is cot theta. Let's see the relation between this. Sin theta. So from sin theta, we can obtain cosec theta. How we can obtain cosec theta? Because cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. It means 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is equal to, we have P by H. It gives H by P. Cosec theta is equal to X by P. Similarly from here, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Listen carefully and keep your in mind. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Then sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to 1 by B by A is equal to H by B. Similarly, for the third trigonometric ratio, tan theta, we can obtain from here cot theta. The third ratio, that is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P by B is equal to B by P. This is the relation between all 6 trigonometric functions. Okay. From here, another thing, students. From here I can write. See, observe closely, huh? Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. This implies sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1 multiplied by cross multiply. Okay, by cross multiplication it will obtain sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly from here, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. This implies sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. And third one, cot theta is equal to, we have 1 by tan theta. This implies cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Student, all this relation, to understand all this relation is very, very important. And the trigonometric formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is important. Okay. Similarly, sec square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta is equal to cos square theta, cosec square theta. All these are very, very important one. Okay. Let's start without any delay the solution of this 3 trigonometric problem. I hope all these things you got it. You just keep it in your mind. Without entering into the depth of trigonometric function or trigonometric relation, you cannot find out the solution of any trigonometric identities related problem, right? I will solve the first problem. The first left hand side of the first problem is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Students, I have already discussed cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. I will write 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and again tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and reciprocal of sin theta by cos theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. I will write that so cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay. Now taking LCM of the sin theta and sin theta, it will be sin theta, no? And 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now it is sin square theta and 1 minus cos theta whole square. Again, students, I have discussed that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then I will write, then from that, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So I can write, in place of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. See, 1 minus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because a square is equal to a into a, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. I can deduct it, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. There will be 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta will be eliminated. Then 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to right hand. Right. This is the proof of our first trigonometric problem. Okay. I hope you all understood this trigonometric problem, how to solve it. Okay. Next, I am going to start the second trigonometric problem. Right. The left hand side of second trigonometric problem is cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay. Now I will take LCM of 1 plus sin A and cos A. LCM of 1 plus sin A and cos A is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now divide this by 1 plus sin A. You will have cos A. Cos A into cos A, that is cos square A, plus again this cos A into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. I will have 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay. See, cos A into 1 plus sin A. It is cos square A plus 1 plus sin A can be deducted from the identities a plus b whole square. A square plus twice ab plus b square. I will use that. A square plus 2 into 1 into sin A plus sin square A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? 1. 1 plus 1 plus twice sin A. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now I will take 2 from this, twice sin A and 2. I will take 2 common. 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A will be eliminated. And 2 by cos A can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by cos A. Again, 1 by cos A is equal to what? I have discussed all this. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. Now I will write twice sec A is equal to right hand side. This is the proof of second trigonometric problem. Okay, from your textbook. Exercise 8.4. Question number 5, 2. Right? And I will solve the third question. Right? The third question is what? 1 plus left hand side of third question is 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. While, listen carefully, while you are going to solve this type of trigonometric function, or at least this type of trigonometric problem, you just observe closely the denominator. Here the denominator is 1 minus sin A and the numerator is 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin A. Conjugate of 1 minus sin A is 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin A is, I will multiply both by 1 plus sin A. Just multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A. Take, here is the negative sign. Opposite of negative will be positive, then 1 plus sin A. You just multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square. Now A plus B into A minus B, here A plus B into A minus B, that will be A square minus B square. That means 1 square minus sin square. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin square A is equal to, again go to the first trigonometric formula, which is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From here, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, right? Therefore, you can write, in place of 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Cos square A. Now taking square root of numerator and denominator. Square root of numerator and denominator will be 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now, this can be written as 1 by cos A, when 1 plus sin A divided by cos A separately, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to sec A plus sin A by cos A is equal to tan. This is the proof of third trigonometric problem. Okay, I hope you just enjoying the video and enter into the depth of the trigonometry. I will discuss rest of the problem in my next videos. So stay with me and connect with me. Keep writing to me, and don't forget to write your problem in inbox. And do subscribe my channel is possible. And bring this video to in the next level. It means close to your friends. Share this video with your friends, with your parents, and with others. Okay, good night.